Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Horror Beauties by Coco Wyo. It's only come out, I think it was a couple of days ago. I've got this because obviously I run a horror group, colouring group on Facebook, which I will pop into link. So we'll get started. I've literally just had this delivered. So here we go. You get all the information that you need on this page, and then you've got your title page. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm going to bring it a bit closer. It might not show on video very well, but the quality of the line work on this image isn't great. You might need to go over it in pen or pencil. A bit blurry, but other than that I like the picture. Again, it's a bit blurred on this as well. You'll probably not see it very well on video from what I'm seeing, but in person, I don't know if it might be just my copy at the moment, but it is blurred. Still great pictures though. It just looks a bit smudgy blurred. Must be just the images, because looking at the black background, there's no issues with that. But the picture itself, a bit disappointing. But I really do like the pictures. I think it might be just a case of going over it in pen, on fine liners in certain areas. Really gruesome. Look at that one. You see that one, this picture quality seems to be a lot better. Not as smudgy. That picture reminds me, I don't know if you play video games, but it reminds me of Nemesis off Resident Evil. Goat coming out a woman's mouth. Yeah, it seems to be just certain particular. I mean, it's like the inks. There's not enough ink gone into line work. That's the only best way I can describe it. I really like that. You see it on this. It must be image itself, because these butterflies and then the flowers, the line work's fantastic. So it must be something to do with the image itself. Yeah, it must be. But still, I'm not going to grumble. I love the images themselves. I just probably go over it in pen. My fine liners. Look at that. Very different to as usual beauties, eh? That's cool. I know there's going to be quite a few people that's going to like these images. And that's it. I'll leave a review, a few spare pages, and then back at book. As always, it's just a little bit about Coco Wyo. You get a few images on back so you know what to expect. And that's Horror Beauties by Coco Wyo. Again, thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, a thumbs down if you didn't. Click that notification bell so you get a notification every time I upload any new content. If there's anything you want me to review or flip through, just drop me a comment and I will get back to you as soon as I can. As always, take care and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.